Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we are always here to help you. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how you could fix if your YouTube is not showing the library button. So without any further delay, let's get started. Suppose if you are opening the YouTube app, and here as you guys can see that there is an option of profile, simply head towards that. This is like basically your library of your to YouTube. So if you are not getting this option, I'll show you how to fix that. So first of all, what you have to do is to simply go back, head towards your Google Play Store or App Store. Here at the bottom, you will get the option of search bar. Simply tap on that. At the top in the search bar, simply search for YouTube. And now you have to simply update the YouTube app if it says update right next to the YouTube, because updating the app usually fixes all the bugs and glitches inside the app and gives you a smooth running application. After that, your issue would be resolved. But if you are still encountering the issue, what you have to do is to go back, head towards your phone settings. From the phone settings, you have to scroll down and find apps. From the apps, you have to search for YouTube and head towards the YouTube information page. Once you are here, what you have to do is to head towards storage and cache. Here you have to simply clear out the storage and cache for the YouTube, and then your issue would be resolved. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.